सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक वर्ल्ड चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए. Hello guys, my name is Shivam and you are watching Techworld, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Zoom app. This is the app actually that we are using for the video conferencing. As we all know that due to this pandemic coronavirus, we are not able to get outside from our houses, but there's a thought that the government is focusing on this thing, like our study should not be affected by this thing, so we can also study through this app by the video conferencing. So let's begin this video without any time wasting. Actually this is very easy. First of all, you just have to open your Play Store and then you have to search Zoom app. It's only Zoom. Okay, when you say Zoom, so it will be like this. Okay, so you just have to install it. So this app is installing. It is actually of 33.46 MB, and I just wanna recommend you, like, if you are new on my channel, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for latest updates. After installation it will be look like this, and you just have to open that application. So it will be like that. Like you can start a meeting, share your content, message your team, get zooming. Okay, so first of all you have to sign up. You just have to put your date of birth, for the okay. Oh, I got it. It will be, you just have to be 18 years above. Just put anything, I have 1999 site. Okay, you just have to put your name, or you can actually you just click on sign in and you can register yourself with Google, Facebook or SSO. I don't know what is this. So you just have to connect your account with the help of Google. Shivam. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, please. Launch Zoom. Connecting. So now it will be look like this. Meetings, contact settings. Okay, allow. Add a contact, create. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about how will it work. Okay, like there's an option. If you want to host a meeting, you just have to click a new meeting. Okay, start a meeting, click on this thing. Okay, join. If you want to join some meeting, there will be message ID, meeting ID, or it will be a link. So you just have to connect, you just have to click that link or put the meeting ID here, so then you will be connected. Schedule. If you want to schedule a meeting. Share screen. You can also share screen. It's like casting. You want to share, send in. It's like a person, like if you want to send your meeting, like send invitation, so it will, so you just have you can send your personal meeting ID, your link to the people, so when they will connect that link, so they will be connected to your meeting. Okay, so there are a lot of options actually. You are seeing that, and here's your contact. Here's your contacts, and you can also invite people to Zoom. So this is it actually. And if you want to write something like it's a new chat, you can chat with anyone who is available on Zoom. Contact, messages. Okay, files. You can share your data. meetings, contacts, settings, contacts, meeting options are available in there. Yeah, you can change the settings if you want to. There is this chat option, about, if you want to know about this application. Yeah, so this is it actually, guys. So, and if you have any doubt like related to Zoom app or any other thing, just hit your thoughts in the comment box. I will definitely tell you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe